So if people can't visit your website and view their web page, you might need to go back to your Google Drive and then search for your Screencastify folder. So I'm going to go to my Screencastify folder. And you might need to change the settings and permission of this video. So I'm going to right-click on it, share. And right now it's restricted so that only LUHSD people can view it. So parents can't view it. So I would need to change this link to, instead of LUHSD, anyone with the link can view. So anyone with the link can view. That's what I would highly recommend. Now, if your video is still on the Screencastify website, you could always go back to Screencastify. Sorry, that took a few seconds. And then this little 3 lines right here at the top, click on it, My Recordings, and you can see all of your recordings. So again, I would just verify that the video, so I can click on it in Screencastify, more options, and make sure it's set to public, anyone with the link can view. So either way, you need to change it, make sure it's set to public, anyone with the link can view. If you still have questions, please email me back.